take a rush, nip it in the middle, fold it in half and place that horizontally. The second rush, nip it in the middle, fold it down and it goes vertically. The third rush, nip it in the middle, place it horizontally again. And the fourth rush, nip it in the middle and round the back, round the front and through the loop. Then pull all the strands together to find a small X across in the middle. And that's your first round. So then traditionally you did one rotation to mimic the movement of the sun. This is going to be the second round. Take your first rush, place it horizontally. Second rush, nip it in the middle, place it vertically. Keeping it nice and neat. Third rush, nip it in the middle, place it horizontally. And then the fourth rush is going to go round those and through the gap of the first. And the same again, very carefully, pull all the rushes together to form a nice neat square. And there you can see the diamond pattern starting to form in the middle. We'll do another round, turn clockwise to mimic the movement of the sun, and it's the same again. Nip it in the middle, the first one goes horizontally. Nip it in the middle, the next one goes vertically. Nip it in the middle, the next one goes horizontally, and then the same again. The fourth one is going to go round, the third in the back, in the front, and pull the whole thing together. So I'm just going to set it down here so you can see the pattern forming. Pull all the rushes into a nice neat diamond in the middle. And that's the start of your shaping, and you keep doing that until you've got as many rounds as you want, until maybe we've got to this stage. Give it a nice press down, and it should, because it's held in at the ends, it shouldn't unravel. So then you're going to tie the ends together, a nice double knot, and do all four corners. Making sure you've kept the pattern. If you wind the cord round twice, it gives you good grip. But pull it all into shape. And if you leave one of the threads long, you could make a loop with it to hang up. I'm going to use this one for the loop to hang up with, so I'll make a loop in this and then trim all the other edges. So just cut off, cut, cut, cut. That's the loop. Cut all these spare threads. Brigid's cross ready to be hung above your door.